Hello, welcome to, let me turn volume down. Welcome to Rolling Thunder PvE. Rolling Thunder is on Roblox. It's on Xbox and PC. I'm not sure about mobile. It's probably not, but it's a pretty cool shooter game that seems based off of Battlefield. And they have a purely PvE game mode where it's just other guys that have basic guns that try and kill you. You kill them. You move to different areas. There's only one map, but it's still really, really interesting. And there's just a bunch of guns you can unlock. China leg, I don't really want to get that. I'd rather save the flamethrower. A lot of points. Yeah, I basically grinded this game way too much, and now I'm super high necessary level. But what's great about this game is how great it is. It's very high quality. You know, obviously the animations all seem pretty good. It's pretty good for, it's pretty high quality for a Roblox game, to be honest. You know, it's got the stuff. It's got the recipe for success. It doesn't have hit scan, so you know it's not like a typical Gmod style shooter game. The reloads are pretty good. The reloads are pretty good. They don't shake the camera like the new Modern Warfare 2, but they just have a little bit of touch that's really nice. And I think my camera sensitivity is really bad. Let's see that again. See, like that's all right for a Roblox game, you know? That has love compared to Zombie Uprising, which I don't know if it's on. I don't know if it's actually a video yet. No, I'm dead. Ah, fuck. Ah. Alright, let's go for it. I don't want to have to do it, but I did it, bitch. Oh, fuck. Okay, I gotta get to my spot. Hold on. Alright, Mr. China Legs. Just fucking going ham. No reason, you fucking dick. Oh my god, stop. Dude, you're fucking everyone else up by being a bitch. Scheißen. Fuck. G17, save me. Save me. There. And basically, it didn't really work out as planned because there's a lot of flaws with it. Like, if you dropped it, it could accidentally go off. You know, if you have any too much heat around them, you let them out in places or conditions. You know, there's a lot of different things. It's like if you left it out, you know, in the moist air, you might jam your guns. Yeah, jam your guns.
What's up, guys? I have nothing to really say about this game. It's good, but it can get boring. It's one of those games where it spikes in funness, where you play it the first time, it's like, whoa, this is insane. You get addicted to it, you progress a shit ton, and then once you progress, there's nothing to do. There's no prestiging or anything. There's no like attachments or there's camos, so you can master every gun, but it just gets boring really fast. Like I only played this game for like a week, and then I was like, damn, I'm kind of burnt out on this. Um, other than that, it's a pretty good game. It's got cool reloads. It's got uh unique guns and stuff. It's interesting nonetheless. Well made, but the problem is because of the amount of detail that went into the game. Um, the enemies are really laggy because it's Roblox. That's just a flaw that comes with Roblox. So sometimes it can be hard to hit your enemies with snipers. They have a full-on multiplayer mode that's a lot like Battlefield. That mode's pretty good, honestly. I'd recommend it. But that's pretty much it. I give this a game. I give this a game. I give this game a 4 out of 10. Enjoy the rest of the gameplay, or if you just click off and we're here for the review, there you go. Have a nice day.
And also the system for the gun, because there's a rotary bolt. You should look it up on YouTube on Forgotten Weapons. The internals were really fucking complicated. It wasn't like your typical AR-15 type shit, or even like a P90 with the rotating magazine. I like the magazine, how the magazine rotated into the chamber. It was some really weird shit, man. Yeah, this gun was kind of wacko. But it's really good because these long sticks of 22 caliber ammo could hold 50 rounds. And you could carry tons of them on you. So it's a lot of ammo. Like for a standard soldier carrying AR mags nowadays, you could probably carry like 300 bullets on you. Whereas, oh, wait, I forgot it goes up the other side. Look at those guys. Top points, suckers. If I wanted to be at the bottom on the leaderboard, I would have to have 32 million. Right now I only have 164,000. So even after unlocking all the guns and mastering all the guns, I probably wouldn't even be on the bottom of the leaderboard. Unless I stream grinded this game. And, you know, if you want to see me stream this game, yeah, this game is, you know, really interesting. There's not much to it. It's just kill bots. I've only been recording for 9 minutes. God, this would be such a boring video. I should talk about something. I guess I could just get gameplay footage. I could turn my mic off for a bit and just get gameplay footage. Hold up, let me do that, actually. That'd be really cool. Yeah, just enjoy the gameplay, I guess. Hello, I'm back. I think that's all I'm gonna do for now. I hope you enjoyed the gameplay, and uh, for this game overall review, I feel like it's a solid I don't know, 5, solid 5, because it's free to play, multiple platform. I think I know it's PC. Obviously, I'm playing on PC. I think it's console as well, but I don't know about mobile. I can't say at all. Um, it has really good animations. There's a lot of love put into it, but the game doesn't really go into anything besides literally just killing NPCs while they shoot back at you in a jungle. That's all it is. It's not. It doesn't go anywhere past. There's no like dialogue. There's no like you'll yell a grenade or it doesn't go very deep besides just shooting. But it is pretty good for what it is, like what it wants to be though. Because I mean you get points from killing, you like upgrade and get better ways to kill. That's pretty much the extent of this game, kind of like Zombie Uprising, but a little less depth. It's pure guns, nothing else. Your health, your grenades, your amount of ammo, all stays the same, and your damage, no matter what level you are, no matter how far progressed you are, no matter how much better you are than another person, or how much more experienced you are, the gameplay always pretty much stays the exact same. That's all I really have to say about this game. There's not much to it, really. It's just a 5 out of 10. Anyways, that's about it. See ya.